and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Agony of candidates in Sohiong ends with the results. Coaching for MCS examinations scatters hope to young people of the state. Students of Chanlanki School warns on the dangers of tobacco. And tea stalls in an unhygienic condition affects the health of consumers. And now the news in detail. The agony of candidates contesting in the MLA elections in Sohiong constituency has been put to an end with the declaration of the results on the 13 May 2023. The public has made their choices and selected a leader to represent them in the Legislative Assembly. Whether their choices will yield positive or negative results, the 5-year term will be the deciding factor. The candidate from United Democratic Party, Sinchai Roy Kupar Lingdo Thaba, was selected as the new MLA of Sohiong after he managed to defeat the former MLA Samlin Malnya with 3,422 votes. Sinchai Lingdo Thaba acquired 16,697 votes, whereas the NPP candidate acquired 13,257 votes, followed by Congress candidate Osborne Kharjana with 1,762 votes. Looking at other candidates from other political parties, BJP acquired 40 votes, HSPDP 62 votes and TMC candidate 89 votes. With the victory of Sinchar R.K. Lingdo Thaba, the number of MLAs from UDP is total to 12 in the Legislative Assembly.
Star Thaba with 3030, Shri Sinchar Kupar Roy Lindo Thaba with 5970.
Imahel at Tribun. Kikam kimati jangi gibabon po Sohiong constituency. I am a continuation of his work kumala juangi so ngan le kat bangala mandor penting bahabri susu ya Sohiong constituency.
So now you will repair the damage that has been done, like your uncle has stated?
Yeah, obviously. It's been a drought in the last 5 years. I think from today onwards, I think starts a new era in Sohiong constituency. To upgrade all educational institutions, that is my first priority. So, mukwa gibriya bikin dan kita ki drop out, unjur kumdoman upgrade the education system for Sohiong constituency. That is a priority. Kajingi jo pajba ay mahe, takachaka jongi nami mangate. So pajba kadan semati mo.
On the 13 May, the West Garo Hills Deputy Commissioner Jagdish Chellani inaugurated the Meghalaya Civil Services MCS Coaching for Preliminary Examination 2023 at Don Bosco College, Tura. Addressing the students during the inaugural program, the Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hills, Jagdish Chellani, expressed his gratitude to the Principal, Don Bosco College, Tura, Father Vivant R. Mukim, and informed that classes on various subjects will be taken during the coaching program schedule, which will help them to qualify for the upcoming MCS preliminary examinations to be held next month. Meanwhile, the Additional Deputy Commissioner and District Planning Officer, West Garo Hills, Winch R.G. Moment, lamented that there are no coaching centers in Tura region and therefore the need arises to organize such programs for the youth of the region. The Principal, Don Bosco College, Tura, Father Bivant R. Mukim, Research Officer, Tura, Bonilia R. Marak, were among others who spoke during the occasion. The Deputy Commissioner interacted with the students and also encouraged and motivated them to establish a stable career for themselves.
very big screen. So through this you will be having one-on-one session with the resource person in Shillong. Okay, and he owns a coaching institute in Shillong, and he also has his own professors who will be imparting the knowledge. So don't take these coaching classes very lightly. Also, you may think that one subject is important, the other subject is not that important. I would request you not to think that way, not to take any of the subjects lightly, because like I said, general studies, it involves a lot of subjects. You'll have geography, you'll have economics, you'll have environmental science, general science, and you'll have mathematics, English, aptitude, it involves a lot of subjects, okay? So, again, not all of you will be experts in this field. I'm sure many of you have taken your own specialization in your graduation. Some of you may be a student of science or arts or commerce. But for the civil service exam, and like Father Biban earlier said, for any other competitive exam for that matter, alright, you have to have knowledge about all these papers, because general studies is very important to know the basic ideas and skills of a particular candidate. Alright?
Matters कि भाई चलो इससे start करते हैं. Let's see what kind of interest people show out, what kind of requirement do you have. So all of this, whatever we are doing, is bound for modifications as well if you require it. So if you require any particular classrooms, let me know. We will change those. We will conduct those lectures as well. Okay. Now we come to the preparation strategies. All right. I wanted to share a few things for preparation strategy. One, see, this examination will be a multiple choice question examination, right? MCQs. In terms of MCQs, you are given a particular time period. You are given a particular number of questions to be done. Every question is supposed to have. Do we have negative marking in MCQs? Okay. Is there negative marking in the MCS examination now? Yes, sir. There is. Perfect. So it's again 0.33 marks, 0.66 marks,
0.25, sir.
0.25, 1/4. Okay. And every question correct is 1 marks. ठीक. When probabilities are 0.25, then it is good to attempt the question paper. ठीक है? Attempt as many questions as possible. Okay. If you are having any bit idea out of the 4 questions, which option is not there, if you have just that much idea, you should definitely attempt the question. Okay. Now, examination is not to test how much you know. Examination is always to test how much you can recall. Okay? So, no matter how much you have studied, if you are able to reproduce that knowledge in the examination, that is the most important. About how much you can recall, and MCQs specifically are about elimination methods. Okay? So, you don't necessarily need to know the correct idea or correct answer to a question. You just need to know if one of those answers is not correct. So if I am given 4 options to select from, if I know that this is a wrong option, then if the negative marking is only 0.25, then probability wise you should always attempt a question paper. Okay? If it was 0.33, which is 1/3 of the question, then it would have been a different option or different thought.
Tobacco is one of the drugs when used can cause various illness, especially cancer, and can even lead to the loss of life. Students of Chanlanki Evergreen LP School, Mushrot, West Jant Hills, gathered together along with the presence of students to march forward in a rally and signature campaign to spread awareness in villages on the dangers of tobacco as part of celebrating the World Tobacco Day. The rally aims at spreading general awareness to people in Mushrut to warn of the dangers tobacco can bring when it is used for a long or short period of time. It does not only affect one person but the entire society as a whole, especially young ones under the influence of adults. The headmaster of the school, Sanlatki Lingdor, exclaimed that according to the theme, the government had advised tobacco-free Meghalaya. He had to organize a rally to make it known to the people that tobacco is a poison whose use can slowly kill a person from inside. Therefore, he urged the people to support the grand cause and to work together to eradicate the use of tobacco.
Video. Hejinito wagajinlarali yang each upon the world no tobacco day arajar arpolay. Katam the team with a lengba ka state umaya yang my Meghalaya tobacco free Meghalaya. The hejinito wagajinlarali gajinlai pat back ko yang wakawai upan up and snow chapi waro pinong song chnong wa uni uduma the man unong chun uri napo manule kabi. Wakta yaka jingkwa jingkya ko yung but ye le upoy what to do uput wo do no yaka jing im ko kordor ko yung Tekalwante, as we know, tobacco is hateful to the nose, harmful to the brains, and dangerous to the lungs. Kalwante dapat apat snya pi waro pinong chong yung kari wa maya ko yung wa uya kere langi chirup wa uya kulari wa upenwer no ya uni uduma kanang wa uyi iwanra ya kecingko cingkhe hapo keriang woro wi. Stop smoking and stay healthy. Kublai chibwa.
It is a sorry state of affair to witness the pathetic, unhygienic conditions of food stalls in certain parts of the capital. The concerned public had been complaining on the unhygienic conditions of tea stalls and food stalls in Laban, Lomparing and Lumshatsngi. The Khasi Students' Union Laban Circle on the 13th May inspected different tea stalls situated in Laban, Lomparing and Lumshatsngi to check on the unhygienic conditions that the people had been complaining for so long, which had also affected the health of the consumers who come in these food stalls. During the inspection of 27 tea stalls, it is found that majority of them do not have a license from Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI), which permitted them to establish their stalls and sell other food items. It is also found that there is poor maintenance of cleanliness and they fail to follow the rules laid by FSSAI. The tea stalls concerned are Apayani Tea Stall in Laban, Babua Tea Stall in Lumshatsngi, Dada Stall in Red Cross and Ruma Das Tea Stall in Last Stop. The union had sent a report to the Food Inspector FSSAI and the Minister in charge to take notice on the matter. They also urge other tea stalls to maintain hygiene so that it will not affect the health of the consumers.
उसकी भी मिले हम तो उसकी भी मिली ना
Badan lang tu lah.
betul lang pula kan betul lang bilang tak boleh
The Nyothrep National Youth Movement HNYM on the 13th May reminded the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to begin the discussion concerning the roster system. The union urged the MLAs, especially the 36 MLAs from the Khasi, Janta and Ribhoi region, to prioritize the generations to come in order to a decision that will benefit all the people of the state without any biasness. The union also threatened the government that if there is failure in coming to a satisfactory decision, it will conduct a strong demonstration.
Para senam jungi di barang kaki kendam kilendang di bagi baik namuta kacing ia kacing syang hi jong kacang beliau hi berawai dia ni kadi kapang ke paningkong try jong ni kesarka ke thumai ke ba layar snok lang kita di jat beliau jong ni bagi ni thal bagi kesarka dan di itu dia nak kalian jong sang action YM hi ni kentu jor ya kini gilai beliau ai kini gilai pesawat ke amalia ba kindan hakan nu kalian kapan dalam yang tak kaya kesan jong ki samlawat kam wajam jong ngajak beliau jongi ya kiba kila kata segini besar pui jadi bisnam kila mat kacing ia batu jing kedua bekrau dia nak kalian jong kesangi kai kaba ni lanai limpa jong Central Executive Committee ngin apswa yang akai pan kaban ni lingba jong lasai kasni baningkong kata khasan trip kumba wong siam hi haba ulum ye pataki seng partai berakai bagi niatai sani halor bedai bakane ka reserve regional policy tiel lada kaseng kan omhun ya ki banmi lasai ka khasan trip kaseng kala khre hi kala pen khre hi ba ngin sakmat lani ngin madan la ka dei ha nu benta lani la ka dei ha nu kaliang kumbalang presiden ni nakaliang jong sang ni kersan yang voice of people party dai bagi dei kita ki political sector ni ke ba yang sang jungi ban penan kam hakum kita di kentian hendrai bagi UI bagi BPP hi kayeng yang kadau jong jat beliau hi habe dei bagi samna kedu jam dia kum keseng hi nak kerua keseng ni kentu ya kini disamla ki baklam kelam jam balada keseng to organize ya kinu ki rally ne organize kinu ki jingapi ki ba ya menta ngimparla bagi berpau berthai ya kai ka bangannya ni kentu bat ya aware ya kini disamla kelam jam bagi ni join bagi dia dan pentalang hakum ni kini jingman pat jing ki ba ya tinho lingba jong ni resolution policy ni keseng dengan penkreasi program ini kibopier lada kerja kai buat kami lasai kat sentrik kanam dei kebohon tiasa kawai ngak kentu bat kamen siang ke Sofia yang buat ngak kentu dia ke surga bahkan simkia swa berjia ki basusi namar lada jia kanu kanam dan kecingit kli hakanu kaliang namar kani ke dauba jong jai penriu bat dauba hiro nak benta kawai kepat bat kecing su kecing san jong jai penriu jongi risuan
kalau ba nakalian tu sen i bawat kani result berasumtion kelas 12 science and commerce ni ba kini kita penriu ke badan fungsional jongi kebayang pasal proses ni kita diberi kebawaan cakap pergi nak beli jungi you isya kita lagi nak tahu nak kerja jungi ni bayar ke kepada dawa tu saling sakma wemble na pokar hills ubang bal ada ladon kam ban kelai ke reception policy sya ban generalize no sya ke prabu person ni beriak dulu masih kita dan kini ki para garopan lese mata ki om berapa persen ru mlok nagalang kesak hi kalian scam malah ben vote ni kata ru ni dawa pada bership kat kom ka population city ke jom macam dream ke jom kata gemot malah ben vote ni berapa persen generalize dan kam man ai ni 10% 50% ni para state garu jom dan nasio halor kita kan urip bagi bakya bagi sarkar kade manyatal kat santri ha kebede kata kecingdom lengba jom kipras media syar sarkar bata kembali ku citharu te ni persian ro ban yakran kebede bukan kebentah ban perso syar sarkar ba lakum do kene ka reception rasta lade ban persange no mardo namar ku manggil i na ka city ka manggil pha sya ka district session judge baca chief judicial magistrate jong ka East Coast district hagabede bar ka sik pelat vakansi ka jongki belum tu khat pratli ka vakansi Yui kini vakansi bakadon kecing lek siang kemat kumbala batai dah ketika enam peniak jom ketika district session judge ki omba ya kini lah petang sokar madu kalau permi ke office memberodok madu ke spotrik jom jemang arjar arho dia kum kesan ini ngilali bu kecing thok ban persyak ya kini ke roster system nama apa ni ke roster system ke alam lek siang kemat sebelah kebedai ban kisamla sungai. Dan agak juga ke office kalau percaya ke orang bah pinham oleh cari ikut. Dia ke bang ini persendat kalau berkah ikut, pak dia juga jenjaki kejeng pak jeng thok juga sengru kah ikut ke peni gitu ke jeng petha juga bah ya ke roster system. La IT la ILAT ke sarkar lembah juga executive body bat ke legislator. Dia misal tu apne berkait kapram juga sarkar bat rival dan review ya kenika reception policy. Barkom kesan ngi penkenma ya kini parari di jungi idan mata live or sambut ki amali khasi. Dia lari bo kini kecingtho sya baro ke amali khasi di jungi kecingtho kalau halor jam kecingkerpat dan ya sa itu policy ka saya mir jemot dah kini ki live nderhomot ki amali ha kesini kau khasatrik. Tekana kecik thok kalau kumni bakat kum ketika phang kasan acelo yami ka kerpan ya kini gelai pemromot ki amali khasi sungi kiba mi khamat gelai pemromot ki amali constituency pada kecik kerman kasan hi ka kerman kumau pai ba kerman bakini gelai pemromot ki dai ban kerat ai na kemta kecik ai tu bisamla ki kombalon mata ki samla jungi kita nak pelengkap kem apa nak kecing jar kecing suasa nama manki kam ke balat nyui nak ketu ke ke berapa jaga district session judge kalau bukan peratli di bos tang lightly lamang ya kisamla kasih bijunge katban real teli lamang saya kisamla jadi wepat bisa real nata peratli on result tekani kapan i bagi kisamla jungi hari la jom dan jaga syu menaklai kam pelajar cenderungin pak kipon jungi bulan pasta kibun ki samla ki bulan graduate kibun ki masa degree hadai kibyo kam kibyo jam nadu bawan lagi ni garusa system ni iba ke jingno silian tarjur kalau sebab pala bat ni program juru ya kini ke sarkar MDA 2 hapok jelam tu berat sama ha ke jaka bu penit lane un dia ta ya kini ke mat petkela lane bat rival bat petma ya kini reception policy ukloi penban bersenai ke office memorandum house and arjar puar ban ong ban pentreka wud ya garusa system ke kai ke bagi persya kalau ba kumbang ada pensyaitan ni persatu kena reception policy nama kena kalau illegal kalau PA katkum katu ke paragraf 3.4 3.5 bar paragraf 4 kebar kedausah ba kinu kijak pada garo larak mela berpendap yang kena reception ke ba 100% yang kena garo di mana po Meghalaya hana kena reception kala ailat di garo ke mana ba.
A football team of Jintru Sports Club, which is a team who had claimed victory in the Riphoi League and will be playing against the Maulai team in the Meghalaya State League on the 13th May at Polo Ground, Shillong. Before leaving for Shillong, the Jintru team was showered with blessings from all the well-wishers, including RB Shadap President, Riphoi District Sports Association RBDSA, along with Charles Marngar, Emily Mawati. The members of RBDSA whispered sounds of encouragement in the ears of the football players, encouraging them to play their heart out and strive to bring home victory.
Ai kublai ye pi chua ba phin mi nang ne bat ka jing kren ku kerdro ngin yo nai bat ha ka ju ka porru nakaliam jong chairman jong football committee jong ka RBDSA ba full insa ai ke jing kren ye pi ha po madan chua ba phin akai ila ong yang akum ta ban sneng ya ka dong no ka jing sneng ka jing long ya po madan kan kinan yang ne ka por ngi lam penjolong ya ka jing ya kren kan su ai mengatang kandiat sesuai ka jing ka briefing adi ketangin island ya iba Charles tunggu MLA yang Mawati bikin ai keren ka RBDSA kene gede kesin ke ba anu ke tem ke jonga bangi ayo kene simenta ke MSL langba kene ka lead ke bangila pendep hajing sya kene ka lead ke ba ngila pendep kene jong UR Bat kani ke MSL ketika bandlong ha UR puar hi tang ba kelara no menta cedu nam ar pulai. Bangangai try kani ketika benta ka ba ka MFA kala penbet namar dang bentang election bat kiwi. Dia kata menilai namar ba ka por kala slam jikun kre ke jongi ru inteng haga por election pun ba lasange ke praktis klub ke ba dia ban hable ne kam ru ba pli la slam palat kadon ke jinglut. Dia kila itu ingi ki ong bangi la praktis hi mulmala kat bala. Henry habangi pe yang isni mengiwan ngiui ba pila persiang menle. Dia ha ke jo ke por ru kani ka kam hi jong ka klub jentru normal ngila ajin tip sak MFA ba dadon kena ru pin kontak baik direct sak klub jentru dia ngasarai na ka klub jentru kila yo lu di tip bano di don kam dia kum ka BDSA pada ka ba penmi yang ni ka tim ngi kentu ya ka klub jentru ha ka por ba pin page pin kmi ba ya ki player baro ka ba pilalum batru ya ka ka syong kasa ya ka jaga ka ba pin wan pai ne ha ka no kedur kaba pilai melapor bayale ne kata ka syong api ngin sania ba api tang bangi kwa ba ka tim riboy jongin nang ne kan long ka tim ka don buram ladang iyo lele ya kanang majing job kata le dang hapalat kain rei ladang ngim la ban poi sa ka thong jong jing job ro kam ngin yo kanam ka buram kum ka tim nari bo district ya kana ka por nga ai kublai ya pi baro ki balai sementa na du tim manager coach ki assistant tim manager ki presiden ki sekretari jongka klub jentru buat kumjuru ya ki player khamtam ki balai sementa baro ki bawan na ki jaga fair buat kumjuru ya pi ki media ki ba pensam lem ya ka kubor sia ka pertai na ka benta kan ya ka jeng ai kublai jongi ya ki player achwa bikin mi nang ne ban lai ki sementa sia Shillong
pi dei ka champion team nang ne na ka district ka jongi ba bentang ka sngi pi yo ban le sementa hang te ya ka MSL tina kaliang ke jonga na penpau ke jing ai kublai sipun nam ta jong pi poi hang do hang ne long ke champion jong district ke jongi ngangai ba ke ke jing tri stom ke jong pi baro kum ki players ki team manager ki coach ke jongi harkat ke jing ya I mean sim na kaliang jong ka RBDSA tingi skau sarong hadu kata kum nong yalam skau sarong ba hakni ke por na kaliang ke jonga nga ai ke jing kit bak ke riang ipi na do ba pi mi menta kublai no kat ba pi kelen dia ke jong pi pin poi hadu ang te Shillong but nga wish but nga ai play ke pang ke ku do ipi nam ta ke jingile kai ke jong pi kedi ke first game dai ta sni ye nga kermen ba ta sni pin yo ye ke jing job but ki games ki bidang wan bar khak yo ye ke jing job but ni kermen nga kmi lenti but pi pin poi hadu ka final but ndai dang ta rei ba pin yo ro ban ra yo thong jong ke jing job ke jing job ke jong pi na kaliang jong ka sports Gentru Sports Club ngai kan ra ya ke buram jong ka BDSA bat kham tam ya ke buram jong ka district hi bar koi teng ai ke jing ku do ipi bat na kaliang ke jonga nga kerpat ro ipi koi ke jing kerpat kata kalong ba inbo ro ke jing shania ma inbo ro ke jing shania ape bana jrong on yalam ipi umdan kat bat pi kat ke sap ke ba pi dan de nyele kai ba kita ka fighting spirit tim dei ban kenran din ya ban ya fight ha ke jingle bat nginge scam ba kata kam sim ke ba pi don kanon ra ya ke nam ke buram ya ke district ibar koi tengam don sibun ban kren ke por ditang ke jingker ku do ip shop pin mi nang ni do blame don kat bat pi I wish you all the best bat ngi kerman scam kum bagal ong pinon ra ya ke nam bat ke buram jong ke boy district ke jongi lengba jong pi ke Gentru Sport Club tengah ai ke jingker ku do ya ke Gentru Sport Club ibar koi bat kumjuro ya ke RBDSA but if he baro Malaysia
Hubert Palliar, an arm wrestler from Maukadiang West Khasinews district, brought glory to the state by claiming gold medal in an arm wrestling championship held in Dubai. For this occasion, the Palliar clan from Maukadiang West Khasinews district on the 13th May venerated Hubert Palliar, an arm wrestler who claimed gold in the 20th Asian Para-Arm Wrestling Championship held in Dubai, Asmand, UAE. Present in the gathering includes members of the clan Palliar, relatives, family members, village elders and other well-wishers. In the championship, Hubert claimed gold under the 70 kg right-hand category and claimed silver under the left-hand category. The clan also congratulated Hubert for his another journey whereby he will participate in another championship which will be held in Kashmir in few weeks' time.
Banjale hakido kam. Lagi pai kam puli puti, lagi pai kam sport, lagi pai hakido bentaru. Idon lagi jogi bentar bagi tei banle. Kakubor kaba, kakua ban ai, api mi pa. Kibai song ni ke jaka ko menta kalong ba. Wat khang ni kun. Habang ikun ki jong pi ki trang ban le ya kano kam na kam ka ba. Singo ba. Wat khang. Lagi i ka football so ba. Wat khang. Lagi i haka basketball lagi i di kamar thong so ba. Ai la di kun ki jong pi. Bakin warna ya ka nam go borom na ka ba na ka te pe ki jong pi ka ba hem na ko so ba. Ban ka kitin ka ba kadu ngakwa ban penpau hakne ka pol bang ta kalong ba hangi khun samla ki khun samla hakne ka juk ki jogi ka pumta balabor ingop ka drops iba yubet ila pen I ka doksa ka baba ila pen I ka doksa ka baba bagiti ban kier ngiri ban kier writing rai mau na gini kam drops khnang ba nilala man kiu saplang hakiji ya lekai kejungi. Udrops, pensiu ke depan kejumpi, kejungi lekai kin bahai ke depan kejumpi. Sakawai, ngakwa pan apiar ni, kata kalong ba, kejinglong jungi kasih kalong ba, kamdei ba ketok, mereka di kejing syak. Kejinglong jungi kasih kalong ba, ni ai borom, yau beriu kalau poin syak ketok. Hendak yau beriu barang tristom, onom kwi ba pet man kwi di dia kwi kumbang yong tin pareng we always look for a successful person but we never look on a hard working person ni pet ki bri ki bala dep ki bala long ki bala job ya thong tendai kim ju pet ki bri ki bala don hapo ki tristom iba yubet ila tristom nadu podang re cái club đó là bên ai cái chuyện borom cái chuyện ngủ cái bị pa cái là bên hết bên sân vậy ba yêu bên na đâu cái pori bên đây cắt nó cái chuyện cắt nó cái chuyện xem chân ra bên hết bên sân này Henry ila trace tom ila la bên la bên learn bên bên tip cái sign language cái mấy ông tin phare hadu ba in the soto bên cái kren bên cái pa budu ya ilok jong iba pidon kam sim bagi jaga support. Habang ipet ya kisnam ke bala lendo. Haka jala ka jongi kinoy lakai ki kampau ki football. Kataru ki babiang ki matiphan. Ngala man ong hari ka bor sa sinpat ka burom nya siulay. Nak benta iba padian. Nang ni sakmat pa iba nyimna ni ay nakaliang jongi kung kasur kinowes. Nakaliang jongi kung kasang Meghalaya Federation ada ini yakin pop ya pi tapi nang iwan ra ya ke nam ke buram ya ke jala ya ke dong katang ke jino ke tau bat ya ke empat ya upat ke beri neutra sisang ilong kiba kamduna harban wanra ya ke nam ke buram haborok yang tadai ke dingdon ke jong pi ba hiba sai simpan ngong ba ke jala Meghalaya ke jong kami katang But kesnong kabar nakendong na west kasil pidon kami kateng. Kini nakota kachompi.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.